Yo guys, lot of people have questioned that they reset their Google Chrome, but still it's showing these the icons, the links, bookmark, and some fonts, etc. etc. As Google said, reset Google Chrome settings to default. You can restore your browser settings in Chrome at any time. You might need to do this if app or extension you install change your settings without your knowledge. You saved bookmark and passwords won't be clear or changed. So as you see here, password and bookmarks won't be changed or cleared. So how you can fix it, like remove the password and clears the bookmarks quickly. Now for the Chromebook or Linux or Mac, you can apply these settings. For PC you can apply these settings, and I'll show you. Just go there, go into the settings first, and then reset and clean up. First step, you need to reset your PC, and later on you can also clean your Google Chrome and PC. And then what you need to do is now how to clear bookmark and password. For that, these steps won't provide a full reset. For example, some settings like font or accessibilities won't be deleted. To create a new user profile, you need to create a new user profile. Basically, what changes when you restore your settings? So these are the settings actually will be changed, and yeah, that's it. Only now you need to do is just go here, add new user, like continue without account, just select your account and then click on done. Okay, you need to provide here the name and then hit enter. Now you have new user account. Just close the older one and then simply click here, and this is the the user that we need to delete. Now simply go here, go again on the settings, just reset. Might be this will work. If it's not working, then don't worry about it. Just click here on the user icons and then just remove this. And as you can see, browsing history 2, password 17, bookmark 13, autofill data to 54. So just click on OK, delete, and that's it. Now you can simply browse your Google Chrome. Just search here Google Chrome, mark in taskbar, and that's it. As you can see, everything is reset. Now there's nothing cache like, or everything has been removed perfectly. So this is the way, guys. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just drop your comment. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.